In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to open new tabs in your AlignMix files. First, make sure you've opened up a file with some data in it. So here on the screen, you will see that we have territories created. I've also imported accounts, imported sales reps, and built a hierarchy. So I have territories assigned to districts and districts assigned to regions. So to open up a new tab, you simply click the plus button here in the top left, and it will open up the options that you can view in your new tab. Under Maps, you can view a district map or a region map. In Thematics, you can look at an over-under map, a zip code thematic map, a territory thematic map, or a bivariate territory thematic map. Moving down the line, we also have tables, and you can view a table for any level of hierarchy. So for territories, you can see a territory table, summing up all your data to the territory level, and you can also view it at the district level and then at the region level. And as you can see, you can open up as many tabs as you want to have open at one time. So let's open up another tab and go to Charts. And here you can create a chart for any data set that you've imported or created within the software. So that's the first way to open up new tabs. The second way to open up tabs is from the home menu here in the top left. You simply click on the Add View button, and you can access your different maps, your different thematics, your tables, and your charts, all from this one menu. So if you wanted to view a thematic map, you would click here, and it will open a new tab for you, just like that. And there you go. You've just learned how to open up new tabs and views here in AlignMix.